Difficult tree removal. Big branch. William Hovey Smith, 2023. This is Hovey Smith, the Backyard Sportsman. I have 3 challenges for today's work. The first is this limb that I've already cut, is to get these pieces of wood out of here so I don't stumble over them all the time, and take these back to my food plot, which is about a quarter mile down the trail here, and clear this other area over behind me so that when I drop these overhanging limbs that are above me that you cannot see right now, they have a place to fall and I can work them cleanly. While the saw is running, we'll test this piece of wood and see what's going to happen. Not surprisingly, I'm starting to accumulate another pile of stuff, including another Medusa head around the barn pile. Now that I have this limb cut, and that branch is about 4 feet off the ground, I can go back towards the trunk and cut the larger part of that same limb. And that way, this one, which is now suspended about 5 feet above the ground, will be more nearly at cutting level. And I'll be able to start moving some of these very large pieces of branch as you get closer to the trunk. Each time I make a trip with a golf cart, I try to make another drag of this tangly stuff with all of the little cut off tops and vines and shrubs and stuff. So I don't have these things constantly underfoot. And these are hooked up to the ball hitch here of the golf cart. This particular snatch is small enough I can go ahead and just throw it directly on the burn pile. Looking at it from the other side here, you can see the freshly cut branch, and you can see where I scarred the other branch behind it. Well, now actually the cut needs to be a little bit to the left of that, so it actually clears the fork. And of course this is a larger limb to which everything that you saw from the other side is connected. Now the danger of cutting like this is that if there's enough springy stuff bearing, that the tree could come actually back towards me rather than fall straight down. But I believe we cleared that. Plus we removed the branch from the other side, and I've got several feet back here that I can move. So I think this is about as good a cut as we're going to get. Getting this large limb down on the ground where I can cut it at waist height, well, that counts as a major task. But I hate to tell Chainsaw that it ain't seen nothing yet. We got to take that stuff too, including that larger one. It's broken off at the top and it's rotten. But yeah, that one's got to come too. Well, that's for another day. But now this is Hovey Smith, reminding you to hunt what you eat and eat what you hunt. Be legal, be ethical, be safe. Goodbye, God bless, and see you next time.